Addicts, we are headed to Vegas. You know that phrase, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas? Well, it ain't happening this time, because when you ride with Ironhorse Addiction, everything that happens in Vegas gets put on YouTube. So Renegade and I have been jonesing for another ride ever since our last one in Bisbee. And now that spring is just around the corner, we decide it's possibly time to hit up Zion National Park in southern Utah. I've been there a few times, but for Renegade, this will be his first. Most of you know the road to Zion runs through Kanab, Utah, or Las Vegas, Nevada. Of course, we chose Las Vegas. The question is, was that a smart decision? It's a roll of the dice, as they say, and only time will tell. It's a well-known fact that if Renegade is on the ride, you better pack your rain gear. Well, this ride was no different. It was raining before I left my garage. It's been sunny in Arizona all freaking week. And here we are, right when I gotta leave. We got rain. Many of you know that Mountain Mitch, and apparently now Marquita, ripped me for being a fair weather rider. That is so far from the truth, and here is the proof. These are videos from a couple of our rides. It's pouring and I'm still riding. However, there is no argument I am not a fan of riding in the rain. I'm thinking the issue is my rain gear. This is where I need your help. Let me know the best rain gear available in the comments below. Help a brother out so I can enjoy riding regardless of the weather outside. As we gathered, the only thing between us and Vegas were the vast deserts of Arizona and the hovering storm clouds above. That's right, we have over 300 miles of pavement, desert landscapes, and of course rain to conquer before we make our long-awaited entry into Las Vegas. Addicts, I'm not gonna lie, I think I've been to Vegas twice in the 40 plus years I've lived in Arizona. It's really not my scene, but like all of us, I love to people watch. And I hear Vegas is the best in the business when it comes to people watching. We shall see. Here we are in Vegas, late Friday afternoon, opening day of the Pac-12 men's basketball tournament. You have to love Vegas traffic in the rain. What a disaster. Now that we've finally made it to our hotel and are settled in, it's time to grab some grub and have some fun. So as I promised, what happens in Vegas? Well, you'll see it right here. Enjoy. Go! 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 Addicts, we had a great time in Vegas, but now we've got a problem. We are headed to Zion National Park tomorrow, and apparently this is what it looks like right now. Last time I checked, motorcycles and snow don't work so well together. Although my friend Kyle in Montana has been trying to sell me on one of these for quite a while. Kyle, once again, I should have listened to you. Unfortunately, our $200 a night rooms are already paid for, and we are well past the 24-hour cancellation window. You'll have to join us next week and see if we make it through Zion. Until then, check out some of our other adventures, and as always, live life at 100 miles per hour.